Dear student, as per syllabus of term second of CBSE board examination, your solution of a quadratic equation by factorization. Student, if you have to find out the solution of the quadratic equation by factorization, then we have to see. Consider the quadratic equation 2x square minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. If we replace x by 1 on the LHS of this equation, we get on the place of x. If you are getting replace 1 on the place of x, then you are getting here 2 into 1 ka square minus 3 into 1 plus 1 means 2 minus 3 plus 1 means 2 plus 1 minus 3 yani 3 minus 3 equal to 0. RHS of the equation, we say that 1 is a root of the quadratic equation. So as 2x square minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0, the solution of this 2x square minus 3x plus 1 is 1. Because on putting the value of x as 1, you are getting 0. This also means that 1 is a 0 of the quadratic polynomial and 1 is the root of the quadratic polynomial also. In general, a real number alpha is called a root of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a not equal to 0, if a alpha square plus b alpha plus c is equal to 0. Student, as in this example, by putting x is equal to 1 here, RHS is 0, then 1 is the root of 1 is a root of this quadratic equation. Like this, if alpha is 1 root of this quadratic equation, then on putting alpha on the place of x, a alpha square plus b alpha plus c is equal to 0, we can write this. Okay, so we also say that x is equal to alpha. जैसे इसमें x इक्वल टू 1 रखने से ये 0 आ गया, तो x इक्वल टू अल्फा रखने से x इक्वल टू अल्फा इज ए सॉल्यूशन ऑफ द क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन और दैट अल्फा सेटिस्फाइड द क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. जैसे इस क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन को 1 ने सेटिस्फाइड किया, यानी x के जगह 1 रखने से ये 0 आ गया, तो x इक्वल टू 1 भी इसमें रखने से x के जगह पे ये 0 आया, तो अल्फ़ा इसका सॉल्यूशन है, यानी x इक्वल टू अल्फ़ा. तो x इक्वल टू अल्फ़ा इज ए सॉल्यूशन ऑफ द क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन और द अल्फ़ा सेटिस्फाइज द क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. Note that the zeros of the quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c and the roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx is equal to 0 are the same. Okay. So student, now I am going to solve the exercise question. Exercise 4.2. Exercise 4.2. Question number 1. Find the roots of the following quadratic equation by factorization. Such type of question may be there in the board examination as per syllabus given. Okay. So one by one you see the question in the solution. Student, you see exercise 4.2. Question number 1. Find the roots of the following equations by factorizations. Okay, first question, x square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. Student, you see, x square coefficient is 1 and constant is minus 10. So, coefficient of x square and the constant you multiply here. 1 into minus 10 equal to minus 10. Now, the factor of this 10 is 5 into 2. Okay. So, you can write it as minus 5 into 2 or 2 into minus 5. Okay. So, you have to bring the middle term minus 3 by using this. So, you can write it 5 minus 5 plus 2. The student, minus 5 plus 2 will give you what? Minus 3. You can minus 5 plus 2 equal to minus 3, and this is the middle term. Okay, minus 3. So you write here x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 is equal to 0. Then what is the common in this? X square minus 5x, x is common. The x minus 5 plus what is common in this? 2x minus 10, 2. X minus 2 5 ja 10 equal to 0. X minus 5 is common. X plus 2. Now see, x minus 5 into x plus 2 is equal to 0. Either x minus 5 is equal to 0 or x plus 2 is equal to 0. Then if x minus 5 is equal to 0, this is implies x is equal to 2. If x plus 2 is equal to 0, this is implies x is equal to minus 2. This is the answer. Okay, because 2 and minus 2 are the roots of this quadratic equation. Okay, student. Now question second part. Second part is 2x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. Now see, coefficient of 2x square, coefficient of x square is 2 into constant minus 6. So 2 into minus 6 minus 12. Now factor of minus 12 is here 4 into 3. Then you can write is minus 4 into 3 or 4 into minus 3. Okay. So you have to bring here plus 1. So 4 minus 3 will give you plus. So put here 4x minus 3x. 2x square plus 4x minus 3x equal to 1x minus 6 is equal to 0. What is common in this? 2x. 2x square upon 2x, x. 4x upon 2x, 2. What is common here? Minus 3. Then x minus 6 upon minus 3 plus 2. X plus 2 is common. Then 2x minus 3 will be here. So either x plus 2 is equal to 0 or 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. If x plus 2 is equal to 0, this is imply x is equal to minus 2. If 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, then 2x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 by 2. X is equal to minus 2, x is equal to 3 by 2 are the roots of the quadratic equation. Okay, student. Now, third part. Two x square plus 7x plus 5 into root 2 equal to 0. You factorize it. coefficient of x square root 2 into constant is 5 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2 into 5. The root 2 into root 2 will be 2 into 5. It is 10. Then you have to factorize up 10. 5 into 2. Then you will bring its middle term 7. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Then root 2x square plus 2x plus 5x plus 5 root 2. Okay, equal to 0. Here root 2x square plus 2x. Okay. Then you take here common root 2x. Then root 2x square upon root 2x, that is x. And 2 को root 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो क्या होगा root 2. x is common already. What is common? 5. Then x is common. 5 is already common, so root 2 will be here. The same will be there in the bracket. So x plus root 2, x plus root 2 will be common. Okay, then root 2x plus 5 equal to 0. Either x plus root 2 equal to 0 or root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. This is implies x is equal to minus root 2, and this is implies root 2x is equal to minus 5. Then x is equal to minus 5 upon root 2. This is answer. Okay, student. Now see fourth part. 2x square minus x plus 8 equal to 0. You take 8 as LCM. Then 1 से 8 को डिवाइड करेंगे, 8 टाइम जाएगा, 8 2 जा 16x स्क्वायर. 1 से 8 को डिवाइड करें 8 टाइम जाएगा, 8 1 जा 1 इक्वल टू 0. बाई क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई 16x square minus 8x plus 1 equal to 8 into 0, 0. Now you factorize. The coefficient of x square is 16. Constant is 1. That is 16. And you take it 4 into 4. Then you have to bring minus 8. So minus 4 into minus 4 will also plus 16. Okay. So you can write here minus 4x is equal to minus 8x. So 16x square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. What is common in this? 4x. 16x square upon 4x, 4x minus 1. 4x upon 4x, 1. What is common in this? Minus 1. 4x minus 4x upon minus 1 plus 4x. प्लस 1 को माइनस 1 से डिवाइड करेंगे, माइनस इक्वल टू 0. बोथ इज देयर सेम. 4x minus 1 is common, then 4x minus 1. Either 4x minus 1 is equal to 0 or 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. This is implies 4x is equal to 1. The x is equal to 1 by 4. This is implies 4x is equal to 1, then x is equal to 1 by 4. This is the answer. Okay, student, this is answer of the fourth part. Now you see, this is fifth part. 100x square minus 20x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now coefficient of x square 100 into constant 1 equal to 100. Now find the factor of 100. That will give you 20. How? 10 into 10. 10 into 10. 100 minus 10 into minus 10 also will 100. So we can write here minus 10x minus 10x. 100x square minus 10x plus 1 is equal to 0. What is common in this? 10x. Then 10x minus 1. What is common in this? Minus 1. 10x minus 1 is equal to 0. Then 10x minus 1 will common. then 10x minus 1 will be here equal to 0. You see, either 10x minus 1 is equal to 0 or 10x minus 1 is equal to 0. This is apply 10x is equal to 1, then x is equal to 1 by 10. Here also 10x equal to 1, then x is equal to 1 by 10. Okay, so your answer is x is equal to 1 by 10 and x is equal to 1 by 10. Okay student, you have completed question number 1. Find the roots of the following quadratic equation by factorization. This is in your syllabus. As per CBSE term 2nd, and you can revise it well. It is very easy. Okay. Now case based questions I will solve in the next. Thank you student.